Hello guys, how you doing? God bless you. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so today I want to show you a very nice flat 5, 7, 3 to 6 chord in the key of F. So that's the chord progression. Right? Okay, so where do we use these chords? Maybe you have a song like this. I love this family of God. Right? So closely to one. They have taken me. So we usually do. So flat 5, 7. 3, da 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 da, right? Da 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 da. Out of the great family. Right. So we use that every time. So flat 5, 7, 3, 6. So I want to show you a very simple one you can always use instead of all these. I've done videos before where I did some of these chords. Stay, be patient. Alright, so I will show you a very nice one that goes like this. Very simple. They have taken me, and then you do into the arms of my soul. Please. Okay, so I'm going to show you that very quickly now. But before then, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you should see it on the screen now. You should get your copy. The price might go up, very soon again. So you can see the price, $7.5 for people in Nigeria, $12 for people in the overseas. So if you've not gotten your copy, you can get it on my seller store. The link is on the about page of the channel. Or you can get my WhatsApp contact and buy directly. Mostly if you have in Nigeria, you have a Nigerian account. Alright, so now let me show you this very nice one. So it goes like this. To cover this space for flat 5, 7, 3, I'm in the key of F. Right. So to cover that space for flat 5, 7, 3, you need to do something like this. So you do something like this. On your left, you do 3, flat 3, minor third to 2. Right? So to cover for that space for this, so you do, so it's like this, right? So one more time, right? So now what are we doing on our right hand? On our right hand, we'll just do 1, 3, 7, 1, minor third, 6, then we'll go to this interval, which is flattened 7th and then your 5th. So together it's going to sound like this. Then, so one more time. Then, so together it goes. So now let's try and use it in the song. So this is 3 now. So I love this family of God so closely, it led me to one. Now let's go. So just they have taken me into their arms of mercy. Right. So you can always do that. Learn that. You can always do that. You can do that in other keys also. If you want me to do the breakdown, I'll also do that. But then make sure you get my intermediate piano course and learn before making some of these suggestions most times because there are many things you will have learned actually if you just follow the leading of getting that intermediate piano chord. So God bless you. See you in my next video. Right? God bless you.